Power BI's default gauge looks like this, so I built something way better, a fully customizable animated gauge visual. This isn't just a gauge. You get unlimited thresholds, gradient color zones, smooth needle animations, arrow or line needle styles, and glass and glow effects. And yes, everything is fully customizable. You can tweak everything: colors and gradients, arc thickness, animation speed, labels, and units. It fits perfectly into any dashboard design. And here's the best part. Instead of charging $20 or $30 for this, I'm offering it for just $5. So basically, cheaper than a coffee, but upgrades your entire dashboard. Comment "Gauge" or check the link in the description to get it. Follow for more advanced Power BI visuals.